Is that all you... Uh-oh.
By the power of Neptune, I give you a handful of delicious pepper! You know, being up here doesn't feel safe anymore.
You got that right, old man. Let's scoot.
I think those bumbling ninnies might be onto something. Let's get out of here.
Not so fast, Man Ray. I'm still feeling wheezy.
Bacho! Hey, I can see my house from here!